Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna look on how to upload your project on GitHub. So the first step would be search GitHub on your web browser. Click on the first link. Once you open the link, you'll be directed to this page and you simply have to log in into your GitHub account. If you don't have one, then you have to create your account. Once you log into your GitHub account, you'll get to this page, and once you get this page, on the top right corner, you have to click on your profile picture. Once you click on your profile, you need to click on your profile, and once you click on it, you'll get this page. Once you're here, you need to click on repositories. Once you click on repositories, you need to click on new. And once you come to this page, you need to create a new repository, which means first, you need to give a name to this repository. You can give any name you want. For example, I'm going to give this. Then you can write a description about your project, and this is completely optional. For example, I'll write a description like this. You need to check the add a README file, and I'll talk more about this later in the video. Once you're done doing everything, you need to click on Create Repository. Once you click on it, you'll get this screen. Here you can see a README file is automatically added to your repository because we earlier checked the box to add the file. Once you click on the README file and open it, you can basically use this file to tell more about your project and describe your project more to your viewers. For example, you can give a brief about your project or add instructions about your project for your viewers. For example, I'm going to write a description like this for my project, and once you're done typing, you need to click on Commit Changes. And once you click on Commit Changes, then again you'll have to click here on Commit Changes. And by doing this, now you have saved whatever edits that you have done in the README file. Here you can see under my title, I have this brief description about my project that I wrote in the README file. So it's very helpful when you want to give some instructions to your viewers. Now the next step is you need to click on Add File, and in Add File you need to click on Upload Files. Once you click on Upload Files, you need to click here on Choose Your Files. Browse the files you want to upload. For example, I'll choose some of these C program files, and once I click all the files that I want to upload, I'll click on Open, and once you click on Open, your files will get uploaded on GitHub. And once it is done, you just need to scroll down and click on Commit Changes. And now you have successfully added your project on GitHub. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.